Sundering Titan is an 8 generic mana artifact creature, subtype golem. It's a rare.
I really wonder if the sound of this rain and maybe hail is getting picked up on this microphone.
We'll find out together.
Yeah.
It's
maybe some ambience for you in the background.
You can sleep to this one.
You can sleep to any of them.
You really can.
Anyway, sorry, Sundering Titan.
When Sundering Titan enters the battlefield or leaves the battlefield, choose a land of each basic land type, then destroy those lands.
Okay, I'm having trouble hearing you.
Okay. Reading the card, attempt to take 2. Marker.